All right, in this quick video, I'm just gonna quickly explain how I use my Verilux Happy Light. I got this on Amazon for probably like, I don't know, $30 or something. I forget exactly how much, but it's a lot more affordable than the other options. So pretty much I just woke up, pardon, I'm a little bit sick, but I just woke up, went to the bathroom, brushed my teeth, all that stuff. And now, I'm just sitting in front of this, I'm just using my phone. So I can just set my phone. It's like right underneath it. And I'll just like look at my phone. You're not supposed to look directly at it. Oops. You're not supposed to look directly at the light. There's also these different light settings. It doesn't really remember what state it's in. So, pressing this button like makes it a little bit brighter. It always starts on level 2, and then you have to increase it by 1. There's warm and cool light. I prefer the cool one in the morning. So yeah, you just sit in front of it. You have to be kind of close to get the full benefit, but I might just like it. So if I turn to do some work on my computer, like I can back it up a little bit so it's not so close and glary. But when I'm doing something on my phone or just simply reading on my Kindle or something, like having it pretty close is seems to be working just fine. And yeah, it just wakes you up, gets you in the right mood. And it also, it's good for Zoom meetings because look, holy crap, like look at what is this lighting. So there you have it. Like the video if you found this helpful. Leave a comment if you have any more questions. I'll be happy to answer them. I really like this light. I think it's worked for me. But yeah, just remember you have to be pretty close, I think within about 10 inches to get the full 10,000 lux, which is what you want to do for seasonal affective disorder or whatever. And yeah, just to get that full amount, you have to be closer than you think for 10 to 20 minutes or something like that. So, and then you can move it back and just illuminate your room or whatnot. So there you have it. Yeah, bye.